outlet lang nila yun. Baga they're just drinking their morning coffee. Casually trolling. It doesn't mean anything to them. So maybe don't put meaning din dun.
Kung ano ko, yun yung papakita ko sa kanila.
Yeah.
I mean, sila nang bahala kung...
How they make it.
Ganun.
Gets.
I mean, as long as nafe-feel ko na wala naman ako masamang bahala. I mean, ginagawa ganun. Like, or pinopoint. G pa din, ganun.
Everybody, please welcome. Dun, 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 dun. Sino ba? Joke. We have Jacob Marie and Arthur Mega.
Hello po.
Hello, guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hello, grabe. Trained talaga. ASM artist.
ASMR ka na ASMR kanina.
ASM artist. Kala mo na makapansin.
No, that's why I didn't say anything.
To be fair,
had to call it
I
out.
did say na I like ASMR in a non-normal amount.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Just context, bro. Just context.
ASMR.
Just context. We found out that we all love ASMR.
Yeah.
Kasi yung malaman ko anong
Pero
type.
iba-ibang type ng ASMR. Pero safe space naman doon. So whatever ASMR you're into,
Yes,
we
go for
respect
it.
that. May it be...
ASMR.
Oh my God. If that is a preview of our whole episode, I don't even know anymore. But welcome, guys. Thanks for joining us here today.
Thank you rin po
Thank you din
for
for
having
invite.
us.
Serious, ah? Serious, ah?
Ba't di ka na thank you din po.
Ano? Visit ka. Ay, kasi na-conscious ako.
Nahiya. Hindi, safe space to.
Parang hindi.
For most of us. For most of us.
Visit ka.
For us, safe space to for us.
Okay, so if it wasn't obvious, no, magkakilala na po kaming lahat. This is not our first encounter together.
It's not our first rodeo.
So, what an underrated sentence. It's not my first rodeo.
Exactly.
Diba? Parang, no, kasi I was... Wait, sorry. This is what happens
Para
when
siyang English nang papunta ka palang pabalik na ako.
This is what happens when you put Gen Zs together on the table.
True.
On the table. Around the table. Around the table. Because I watched a TikTok. Context lang on why I laughed. I watched a TikTok of underrated phrases. Like, yun nga, that was one of them. This is not my first rodeo. Like another one was, who died and made you king? Ganon.
I like that one. Who died
What
and
does
made
that
you king?
mean? Parang ngayon ko lang narinig.
Parang when someone's at a position na medyo sila yung nakaangat, parang who died and made you king?
Yeah, bakit ako makikinig sa'yo? Ganon.
Oh, okay.
So who died and made you king? Oh,
Yeah.
So shady.
okay,
I love it.
attitude. Diba?
Parang feeling ka dyan, gano'n. Feeling ka dyan.
Yeah, ganon. So, yeah, wala.
Fun.
Naisip ko lang.
Oh, cute yun.
Kasi we're talking about SMR. Ganon. Mga things I see on TikTok. Like you guys.
All the time.
Palagi ko kayo nakikita sa TikTok.
Parang hindi kayo masaya na.
Parang hindi sila masaya.
Parang nagreklamo, no? Like,
Pagkasabi, lagi na nakikita sa TikTok.
lagi na lang.
It's you again.
I see you again.
No, but I mean, kasi me, nang share. I have a very complicated relationship with TikTok. Sometimes I love it, but sometimes I'm just like, I can't.
Bakit?
I don't know.
Kasi nandun.
Hindi, kasi nandun kayo.
Nandun ka. Kailangan niya love. That's why she loves it.
Hindi, minsan kasi na-overwhelm ako kasi di ba endless scrolling siya. And also, the idea of being consistent on TikTok takes a lot of work.
Damn. Straight into it.
No, I mean, di ba kayo
Sobrang
guys?
grabe yung pressure nga. Parang bilang musician in this day and age, content creator ka na rin.
Yes. Wala kasi diba sa TikTok natin lahat. Kayang i-boost ang mga bagay-bagay.
Whether you like it or not, if gusto mo ng visibility, dapat sa TikTok ka.
Feel ko, kaya rin sobrang effective now ng mga artists na sobrang active on social media. Kasi when the people meet them, dahil clear na clear yung message nyo, kung ano yung gusto nyo, ano yung message nyo as people, as artists, kung ano yung gusto nyo, kung sino yung audience na gusto nyo makapture, sino yung audience na gusto nyo, kumbaga parang yakapin, na parang di ka naintindihan kita. Pag na-meet nyo sila, parang ang dali ng feeling na connected ako sa'yo.
Yes.
Kasi nahahatid sa akin yung message through the music. As a
Totoo.
fan.
totoo yun. Totoo nga. Oo nga, ngayon ko lang din naisip. Kaya yung mga may mga fan na ako na namimit na umiiyak, tapos yayakap, ganun. Baga, we don't know each other, pero they know enough about you as an artist na yung message mo
That
nakaka...
must be such a crazy experience, no? Parang you just put out music, tapos bigla na lang may iyak sa harap mo na parang, your music saved me, bro. Like, what?
Even the messages
may-
nga lang
oo.
Diba?
Alam niyo ba
May-
dati hindi ko magets yun, yung parang bakit sila umiiyak. Kasi, yung pinaka-bias ko, like idol na idol ko si Taylor Swift. Nung napanood ko siya ng first time, parang dun ko na-realize na parang
Naiyak ka
alam ko
din.
na kung bakit
May
sila
something
ganun.
talaga.
Parang hindi mo ma-explain kapag di mo pa siya na-experience. Pero
Lalamunin
nag-gets
ka na
ko
eh. Lalamunin ka na
ganun.
ng music.
Galing lang.
At
Music
least
is
kayo,
magical.
nagagawa nyo na. Like, people feel the same way about you guys. So.
Wow! Birthday niyo ata.
Nakakainis!
Bakit ka ganyan? Bakit siya ganyan?
Pero outcome, hindi ako ganito.
Oh!
I'm a nice guy. Here.
Quiet. I would like to exclude myself from this narrative. Joke. No, mabait naman siya. Ano ba yan?
Hindi, na-appreciate ko lang talaga sila. Kasi pares ko silang napapanood
naman.
since
Oo.
bata pa ako.
Ako pa ka.
Oh.
Why?
Kasi napapanood ko sila
Uy,
ng
di ba
bata
mas
pa ako.
matanda pa ako sa'yo?
Oo nga, kaya nga naman. Buti magaling ka
Uy, onti lang.
1 year lang. Ilan taon ka, Chika?
Ano ba yan? Hindi ko sabi. OA, 24.
Magkakaibig.
Oo,
I just
inyo
turned
lahat.
12.
Oo,
Oo,
inyo
eh.
lahat. Oo, inyo lahat.
Sinong pinaka ano?
Me.
Magkaka-age tayo. Magkaka-age tayo eh.
Yes. I'm 1997. Do the math.
Joke lang.
Do the math. What does it go?
Bakit ako
How old
Di
am
ba
I?
nagpo-podcast tayo?
How old am I?
Bakit
go?
ako magmamath? 27.
You
diba?
just use that
stalled.
time. Yeah, you just use that time to calculate.
Tawag doon. Pag sa stage, ganun din yun. Kailangan magsastall
Spill.
ka.
Wow.
Pag nakalimutan mo yung lyrics ng first line, hindi ka muna magpapastart ng song.
Alam niyo ba yun yung ano ko? Parang pag sa mga live performance, yun sa mga gig, bigla akong nakakalimutan yung lyrics. Like, kuwari mag-intro, tapos bigla akong makakalimutan yung first
Wala.
lyrics. May time na parang ano, yung intro kasi namin, parang may intro muna bago ako pumasok. Tapos si Ate Jam, nagtanong ako sa kanya, Ate Jam, anong first lyrics nung ano? Tapos akit na ako agad nung sinabi niya. Nakakalimutan ko.
Really?
Parang nami-mental.
Why? Because of what? Parang
Siguro
nervous?
sa
Ganon?
Minsan,
kabahan.
out of excitement or kaba.
Kinakabahan ka pa rin pag
Oo.
nagigig ka.
Ikaw.
Ako din. Parang kahit gaano kalaki o kaliit yung stage, kinakabahan ako.
Yeah.
It's like anything can go wrong. As an
Yes.
overthinker.
Ako yung pinaka-challenge ko siguro is kapag na-feel ko na parang hindi nag-enjoy yung ano,
Oh,
yung
gets.
crowd, parang madidistract na ako
that's
doon.
interesting. Okay.
Madidistract na ako doon. Tapos, maapektuhan yung
Oo,
performance ko.
parang
How can you
nadadam.
guys
I need to
tell?
adjust.
Actually, merong mga crowds na listening crowd.
Mm.
So, mag-gauge mo siya sa first song mo sa set. So, kunyari,
Yeah, like how?
may mga
Like how?
places na ganyan lang sila, nanood lang sila. Pero after your first song, bigla silang mag-cheer.
Papalakpak sila.
Merong ibang wala talaga.
Yun din something na na-observe ko. Sobrang overthinker ko. Oh my God, did they not enjoy? Did
parang you're expecting na
did I
dapat
bump?
mapapag sila.
Hindi. May mga crowd lang talaga na tahimik habang nagpe-perform ka pero after mo. Super clap
Baguio
sila.
is like that. Baguio and Cebu observation.
Parang polite ba? Tawag doon.
Hindi eh. Feel ko they're so into music na they actually care about listening
They wanna
to the
hear.
song.
Oo.
So after, tsaka kasi mag-react. Pero may mga places, doon mo ma-feel na hindi talaga. Yung
Yeah.
mga places after mo tumugtog, parang,
Siguro tsaka yung mga, alam mo yun, nag-perform ka tapos nag-uusap sila. Yung mga ganun.
Oh,
Is that an issue? Is that an issue?
that stings.
I heard,
makikita mo
I
sila
heard,
parang
It
nag-uusap.
stings.
Alam nyo, pag nag-uusap kayo sa bar gigs, rinig namin na nag-uusap kayo from the stage.
Oo.
Ayun nga! Rinig namin.
Narinig yung
Minsan
usapan.
nakachismis pa ako dun sa nasa harap eh.
Habang nagpe-perform.
Oo, kaya, as in, distracting siya. Especially pag medyo tahimik yung song mo.
Guys, you already know.
Mapapatingin ka taga, parang, uy, grabe yung chismis nila, mainit ah.
As an overthinker, yun yung mga...
Like, am I boring? Am I not good performer?
Meron
Parang
pa
ganun.
nun, yun din kahinaan ko bar talaga. Hindi ko ma-hype yung bar. Tapos meron nga ako nun first gig ko ng bar sa, ano ba yun? Sa may Antipola ata yun. Tapos,
Cafe Lupe.
ayun, Cafe Lupe. Tapos, Yun yung kasama kita noon.
Ay, oo.
First time ko sa
Oo,
bar.
kasama ko
tapos
pala siya
hindi
nun.
ko talaga ma-feel yung crowd. Tapos after ko nun ako, hindi na ako umiime kasi alam na nila nung team na parang ibig sabihin. Kasi ganun ako parang pag di ko na-feel na nag-enjoy sila, parang masasad ako kasi.
Yeah, of course.
Ganun.
Iniisip mo if it's your fault, gano'n.
Pero sa bars, hindi sila ma-react talaga.
Yeah, they're really like, I guess it's the culture, no? Like,
Yeah.
of bars.
I feel like it's more of like, di ba, when we're performing sa intimate setup, naiilang tayo kasi ang intimate nakatingin sa atin lahat. But I guess it's the same for the people who are watching. Na dahil alam nilang pag nag-react sila lahat, makikita rin sila.
Oo, siguro, parang may consciousness din sila.
Well, that's true. I guess as a host, I've also experienced that. Na parang, when it's a bar
Especially, it's
gig.
your job to hype people up.
Yeah. Well, yeah. That's why parang, yeah, that's true. Napaisip tuloy ako. Like, yeah, and usually naman they respond eh. So, parang, I guess maybe because I hype them up talaga. But you guys don't necessarily have to do the same, I guess. Parang,
Lalo pag yung set mo relax.
yeah, yun na nga.
We're naman, magiging yes.
Sad song ka, tapos
Yeah. Oh my God.
Pinasigaw mo, tapos sad song ka. Parang sila,
pinajump mo.
It's so funny. Oh my God. Napaisip
Parang
tuloy
lalabas
ako.
tuloy, mas madali pa mag-perform sa malaking crowd.
totoo.
Kasi
Yeah,
wala
because
ka
you can
nakikitang
see.
mukha.
Yeah, I agree.
Mga
Sa
mall
hosting
show,
din.
ganun.
Gets
Mga
mo.
Coldplay.
Wow, pinasok.
Kainis.
Oh, pero what was that experience? I mean, I'm sure it's crazy, di ba? Out of this
Sobra.
world. Ganun.
Weird kasi di ba 55,000 yung capacity ng arena. Pero nakikita ko pa rin yung mukha ng nasa harap.
Ang linaw
We?
ng...
Oo,
Pag
makikita
tinali
mo
na
pa
ang
rin.
linaw ng lahat.
Makikita mo pa rin yung mga tao. Pero alam mo, grateful lang ako. Sobrang sweet ng ng crowd. Sobrang
Alam ko si Chris
wholesome.
Martin.
Ang sweet ng bro. Yung bro doon.
Si Chris Martin.
Si guy sa Coldplay.
Uy, share ko lang kahit di niya tinatanong. Bigla ko lang naalala kasi sabi niya, nung second day yata, ay hindi ko magana yung belt pack ko. Yung monitor ko.
Alam ko yung belt mo.
Nahulog yung hindi ko magana yung belt pack ko. Kasi walang wedge, walang monitor na wedge. So, lahat ng maririnig ko, kahit yung mga kabanda ko sa sa in-ear, hindi ko magana nung mismong araw na. I was like, oh no! Pinahiram kami nung director niya. So, shout out to Paul. First name basis, shout out Paul, yung floor director ng Coldplay. Pinahiram niya ako ng belt pack. Share ko lang.
Ang haba ng prep niyo for that. Nakita ko lahat ng prep niyo for equipment. As in, nag-rent siya ng warehouse.
Nirehearse
Yeah.
namin yung setup din. Oo. Ayun.
Yeah, for something that big, I think you really
Oo.
have to.
Parang hindi lang eh.
We?
Parang a month or 2 months. Matagal-tagal din.
Talaga ba?
We?
True ka ba? Pero meron ba siyang parang superpower na nabigay sa'yo na like after that? Parang
I
kahit
like your term, superpower.
Kasi for sure yun yung feeling na parang I played with
Yeah,
Coldplay.
Coldplay yun. Very,
After.
Higher power pa.
Higher power.
Pun intended.
Jeez. Lucky
sabi ko nga, I think it's wrong.
Oo nga, na-realize ko eh.
Sabi ko, it's not super power.
Tsaka nga make song sa higher.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Anyway.
After, nagulat ako sa reception ng tao na, okay, mayroon palang mga taong magpipay attention sa'yo ng
Yeah.
Kasi nung in-announce, I understand, hindi naman necessarily negative reaction, the confusion, because they don't know who I am. Like, why am I the one opening? So like, nung araw na yun, as a chronically online person, nung araw na in-announce na ako'y mag-open, hindi ako nag-social media. Nag-social media cleanse ako bigla. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya tingnan yung comments.
Sometimes, you're just like, you don't want to look, pero you look.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi-
Baga, alam mong hindi mo naman kailangang
Yeah, and even
i-engage.
though,
Pero,
and even though you know in yourself what kind of person you are, how talented you are, when other people say it, you're just like,
you can't help but ako din,
"Oo,
hindi ko
diba?"
mapigilan.
Ikaw ba, Arthur? Have you ever experienced something like that?
How do you
na
deal
parang,
with
oo.
Ako dati ang tawag dito, kasi ang dami na din naging issue sa akin yung about kay Taylor Swift, yung sa Crazier, tapos yung sa SB19.
Like, nilista niya lahat.
Hindi nyo ba alam
Oh, he
yun?
doesn't know.
Do share.
For those who don't know,
Ako kasi, pinakakainaan ko talaga interview. As in, yung first interview ko sa label ko, umiyak talaga ako nun. Kasi ang dami
After?
Hindi.
During?
Ano pa lang, mag-start pa
Oh.
lang.
Sobrang anxious
overwhelmed
mo.
ka na.
Ganun ako sobrang
Gets.
introvert dati. Tapos, yung nangyari doon sa issue about sa P-pop SB19 kasi ano siya, parang ano ko noon, may nirelease akong album nung Pasahili. Yun. Tapos parang may press press con. Tapos edi yun, parang in-interview ako ganyan, tapos may isang interviewer na parang may binigay siyang parang kidnap question. Tapos ako kasi
Parang setup, ganun.
parang
Ah,
setup.
okay,
Parang
okay,
sinetup ako. Parang nagtanong lang siya ng konti about dun sa album and me.
Tapos,
Sabi, so what about P-pop gano'n? Tapos sinabi nila SB19. Ako, wala pa akong alam nun kasi nga parang kumbaga first time ko nun. First time kong sumagot sa lahat. So sinabi ko yung nasa yung nafi-feel ko. Tapos biglang iniba nila biglang kasi 'di ba pag basta si Jada yung friend ko, tinuruan niya ako.
Shoutout Jada.
Shoutout
Shoutout
Jada.
Jada.
Na yung mga like yung mga ganyan sa mga interviews, lagi ka daw talaga niya isa sa butahe. Lalo na kapag pinost na nila yung video, ibahin nila yung maglalagay sila ng
Misleading na,
Tapos yun, yung grabe yung mga titles like Arthur Miguel Message to P-pop. Parang kumbaga,
Yan.
Parang they twisted the story.
Kumbaga, it seemed like it's something na super laking thing nung interview, pero in reality, sobrang
Minor
tapos
lang.
kinat nila yung
The
yung
other
interview
parts.
ko na about sa akin. Tapos yung pinost lang nila talaga.
Ay!
Out of context.
Oo,
Oh.
yun. Parang kumbaga, yung main doon, yung parang pinaka-main in-interview sa akin na parang lumalabas, yung about P-pop.
Yeah.
Tapos syempre, di naman natin masisisi yung fans. Di naman,
Oo naman.
Of course.
Gets.
They will,
I'm so sorry sa mga nasaktan, pero sorry
Hindi
kasi.
niya po intention.
Hindi
Yeah,
ko
it was
intention
not the
na
intent.
ganun.
Oo.
So,
In the
kaya
first
ganun
place
siya.
kasi hindi naman dapat yun yung tinatanong niya sa'yo.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Especially
It should
very
have been
invested
about
yung
you.
fans emotionally sa sinusupport nila.
Pero yun talaga yung pinaka parang problem sa akin. Sobrang hirap kong i-explain lahat to the point na parang pwede mong hanapan ng butas and makagawa ka ng issue sa mga pinagsasabi ko.
Well, you're
Oo
doing
nga.
great.
Yeah, you've
When
grown
I
so
interviewed you,
much.
sabi ko, wala naman. Like, I don't remember.
Siguro sa mga na lang.
Yung mga
Isip.
Or,
Bassers.
Pero yung kalamitan yung mga nangbabash, sila pa yung mga yung mga dump account lang.
yeah,
Mga
usually
ganun.
it's like that. Parang they can't, parang if they meet you in real life, they won't tell you. Na parang,
Outlet lang naman nila yung...
Yeah.
Parang that's something I learned din. But ang daming OA sa social media. Outlet lang nila yun. Baga they're just drinking their morning coffee. Casually trolling.
For
It doesn't
fun.
mean anything to them. So maybe don't put meaning din dun.
As much as ang laking tulong sa artists now yung social media, ang dali natin magka-platform. Sobrang laking difference rin na before, since wala namang social media, hindi nababantayan lahat ng kilos mo.
Oh my God, you're
Like,
so
hindi
right.
yung maliit na, I don't wanna discredit kung ano man nila. Parang, hindi lahat ng bagay na document. So, hindi rin lahat ng bagay posible
Dati,
maging big
baga,
issue.
hindi natin alam yung opinion ni Marilyn Monroe sa gantong
No,
bagay.
exactly.
ganyan. We just know that she makes music. Parang mga ganon.
yeah.
Or, wait, what name did I say?
Marilyn
Ay,
Monroe.
ang nasa isip ko Madonna. Madonna. But the thing is,
Like,
we
Marilyn
don't,
Manson is that what we're talking
we,
about?
like, parang yung point ko is, we don't know about their, other things about them that aren't related to their craft.
Yeah.
Kaya we don't get to crucify them.
That's why
crucify
people always say na you have to separate the artist from the art.
Yeah, do you
But
guys
at the same
believe in
time,
that?
I mean,
I think there's a line.
Okay,
There's accountability
okay.
in
Let's
being
talk
an
about, let's unpack.
Ako, I think merong line na okay lang to separate the art from the arts, but there are things for me personally na non-negotiable. Like if I you're in a very dangerous
This
place.
is the line.
Ooh, this is the line.
that question is,
Tightrope.
I wanna plank. Hindi, pero yung siguro what I can say is I gets ko yung separate the art from the artist kasi may point naman talaga yun. But if I find out na yung pinakikinggan kong artist doesn't have the same morals
Yeah.
as I do, it makes it hard for me to enjoy their art.
exact same answer. If it's a matter of morality, parang that's where,
Pero yung mga, he doesn't like pineapple on pizza, I don't care. Pero yung mga malalaking bagay.
Okay,
yeah.
so let's try to put it in me, kasi I struggle with this a lot. Because I grew up listening. Okay, let's I'll give an example. So I grew up listening to a lot of Kanye West.
Oh.
And at that time, for example, this is the era of college dropout, graduation, very early. And he was like the underdog, like everybody was
Yes.
rooting for him. He was the guy that was changing music, like that. So I was like, everybody was such a big fan of Kanye West. And the music itself is so good. If you listen to that era
Gets
of
naman.
Kanye West, it's so good. But now, obviously, he has become somewhat of a
Controversial.
person who I think my morals don't align with him.
Yeah.
But also, it's difficult for me not to enjoy his music from before because, first of all, it's nostalgic. Also, it's because it's good music, right? So when it's like that, what do you guys think?
You can acknowledge yung impact ng music niya
Yeah,
sa'yo, di ba? But
I mean, feel ko sa akin, it's more of hindi, like, does it align with your morals? Like, is
The
it
music or Kanye West?
like him?
Not Kanye
Pero
West.
honestly kasi, like, I know there are some stuff that he did na sobrang, like, matter of morality.
For sure.
Pero, siguro, yung line lang, everything that's a matter of morality, yun yung pwede mong maging reason to not listen to him. But also when it's, like, siguro parang dun lang sa you disagree with his views. Kasi parang everyone has different views. Like, regardless if it's a matter of morality or if it's a matter of social, whatever social issue, everyone can have views. So if siguro hindi nga siya yung tipong, I don't want to say yung specific matter of morality, but like, kung kaya mong pakinggan yung music and hindi mo na-feel na parang,
it doesn't affect. Parang ganun.
I mean, it's music.
Yeah.
And
Yun
it's
na nga.
siguro if the song was, these are songs that affected you during that time na kailangan mo. Plus, the time that he made those songs were at the time na hindi niya pa ginagawa itong mga bagay
Yun na
na
nga.
to.
Oo.
You can feel nostalgic for
Yeah.
it.
And you can't deny the fact that this person is talented. Like,
Yeah.
yun talaga yun. Like, at the same time. So, yun nga, it's hard. You don't know it.
It's hard to, to
Ako
say.
weird ba yung parang parang bukod eh. Parang tag dito, nagfa-fandom ako sa music and sa artist. Depende. Parang ganun kasi ako. So, for example, Taylor Swift, una ko siyang narinig yung music niya and dati hindi ko talaga siya kilala. Tapos nung napanood ko siya like how she perform and paano siya sa sa ano niya, sa mga fans niya. Doon pa lang ako na fell sa kanya na parang, uy,
Another separate entity.
parang talaga siya.
Gets? Yeah,
Parang
yeah,
dalawang,
I get what you mean.
ganun.
Oo.
Ganun sa akin.
Siguro you can
it's like
enjoy
that.
the music without enjoying the artist.
It's up for debate kasi a lot of people, which is valid will go to lengths to deplatform someone. Kaya it's up for discussion.
I mean,
diba?
Kanye deplatformed himself. Like, I mean,
That's
diba?
true.
Like, it's just interesting to see nga na when, you go through a certain part in your life that isn't great,
Yeah.
people will discredit the fact that you did other things.
Also, a part of me understands. Hindi understand ko ano yung ginawa, pero understands that this type of music and artists who are excellent, medyo extraordinarily excellent, merong ibang takbo yung utak nila eh.
Yeah.
So a lot of
Their brain works a little different.
Very,
Parang
very
ganun.
different. So a lot of these artists could really make decisions that are very questionable and different from what normal
Parang
people
gets
would.
ko, oo.
Yeah.
Parang oo nga, parang may pattern ngayon
Oo,
mga
meron talaga.
mga artistic genius. Medyo their
Matt
minds
Healy is
work a lot.
different.
Isa pa yun.
Oh,
Even The Weeknd is different.
yeah.
Oh, isa pa yun. Like,
But these are like not to attack kasi I'm a big fan
yeah.
of both. Pero yun lang, ramdam mo when they talk na these are people na grabe yung utak, ibang tao, ibang level ng
Yeah.
utak. Not negative, not positive, basta neutrally,
Their,
iba lang.
their brain is just wired
Oh,
differently.
It's differently. That's wired differently.
Pero it's true, no? Na, kasi it's not avoidable now because it really happens. Like all of us, for example, I get scared that I'll get canceled about something that I didn't even mean. Like, for example, when I'm hosting, okay, I use this like as an example because this is something I realized recently. Now, when I'm hosting an event, then I have to get participants from the crowd. Syempre, I don't know their name, right? So I'll call them like ate, kuya, or something like that. Then in my head, I'm like, did I just assume
I didn't ask their
gender?
pronouns.
Yeah, so parang
Gets.
to me, like,
Uh-huh.
I start overthinking these things. And this wasn't something I was thinking about before, which I guess is also a good thing because I'm more
You get
aware now.
Yeah, you're keeping up with it.
But also at the same time, it's like, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, right? But you're more aware now. So I guess it's good to talk about these things because I feel like a lot of people feel pressure that they have to have the same views as somebody.
Yeah.
They have to align their views with like this.
And actually as artists, feel ko ibang pressure din. Like,
Exactly.
I know you guys know na merong mataas na level ng pressure on being like someone to look up to in terms of like morality and social issues. How do you guys like deal with that?
Just go back to the
Ano ba?
ASMR.
I don't know how to answer. Parang, how do you deal with it? I don't.
Like, is
I
it,
try-
is it a conscious effort?
is that-
I think to me, to me, maingat ako sa mga sinasabi ko. Cause I know na, isang beses, ito, I stopped school.
Okay.
So I'm still in school. Hindi pa ako graduate in college. I made a hee haha kiki TikTok. I was like, I dropped out because I did. I stopped for a while. It was like that. And there were comments of like kids saying, "You inspired me." I was like, oh, this is not. That's not.
That ain't it.
Oh, that's
That
not. I made the TikTok. I went back to school because I did. And someone commented again, I went back to school because of you. They're like someone as irrelevant as me can influence, kids, especially kids. So parang ako, hindi na ako pwede basta na gumawa ng mga bagay na gagayahin ng bata. Lalo na if it's, responsibility din talaga siya.
Wow.
Diba?
That's wild.
Diba? Hindi ko in-expect yun. When I went into music, I thought I would just be writing songs and releasing them.
That's true.
But I'm not resenting it. I'm okay with it. It's a responsibility kasi it's part of having a platform.
Yeah, and it's
It's
nice
a
to have a platform
responsibility.
na meron kang real life
Yeah.
impact sa iba.
Yeah. Ako, feeling ko naman on some level, my audience knows me and I know them. So I know how to approach them, how I communicate with them sa
That's
mga
true.
ganung
Those who are
bagay.
quick to judge are people who don't know you. Like,
Yeah.
they don't know what kind of content you make. They don't know. Like, they can't tell satire. Like, especially on TikTok. Like, sometimes you can't tell. You're just like, is this for real or what?
Medyo
Like,
dark humor.
yeah. So, yeah, I guess that's important ka.
Sa akin agad.
Sa atin.
Yeah, it's the community talaga. No? Like, I think that's super important. Yeah. But how about
Ako
you?
di ko siya
Yeah.
di ko naiisip yun. Like, kasi kung ano ko yun yung papakita ko sa kanila.
Yeah.
I mean, sila lang bahala kung,
How do you make it?
oh yeah, ganun.
Gets.
I mean, as long as nafe-feel ko na wala naman ako masamang bahala.
Ano
I
naman?
mean, ginagawa ganun. Like, or pinopoint. G pa din, ganun. Like, bahala sila kung anong isipin nila.
That's
I
true.
get it too. Parang, minsan kahit anong ingat mo, parang both ways. Kahit anong pagka walang pakialam mo, kung ikaw mismo, like the things you say are naturally hindi controversial. Walang problema. But at the same time, kahit anong ingat mo, kung the thoughts in your head and your heart somehow it contains things that are somehow not negative, lalabas at lalabas eh.
Yeah.
I agree.
Tama.
So you have to trust your heart and your soul.
Yeah.
Wala talagang ganun sa'yo.
Kasi tsaka dun ka magugustuhan ng mga like yung mga magiging fans mo or nakikinig sa'yo. 'Di ba? I mean, yung personality mo. Kasi yung iba, 'di ba, nagugulat sila minsan yung song. Meron akong artist na parang di ko naman ginajudge, di ko na inaan. Di ko na
Name drop. Huwag mo na i-name drop, please.
I-text mo na lang sa akin.
Yung
Text mo na lang sa akin.
hindi. Kasi
Or blink twice if girl. Blink once.
Hindi mahilig kasi ako mag-ganon. Yung parang nililink ko yung music nila sa kanila. Kasi yung music niya sobrang serious. Tapos parang I mean, parang deep. Tapos nung na-meet ko siya, tapos na-realize ko, uy, parang ano pala siya. Parang katulad natin, parang ganito na
Makulit
parang.
lang.
O, ganun. Nakala ko yung parang, I mean, yung music niya serious, so kausap mo siya serious. Parang ganun. Wala lang,
Gets.
share ko.
Parang I like your insight.
Mahilig ako
Parang
mag-ganon
gets ko
sa
yun,
mga,
oo.
tawag dito sa mga artist.
Siguro perspective din yan sa mga taong who purposefully crucify
Yeah, also
public
it's-
figures. Like, halimbawa itong artist na to, nagre-release siya ng very lang. na very
Blink once.
chill stuff. Chill na music. Like, they're just talking about love songs. Kunwari,
yeah.
ganon. Very common stuff that everyone knows about. Non-controversial. Tapos parang, you're expecting them to talk about something big that they probably don't know about.
Yeah, that's an issue
Like,
now.
where are you expecting this person who obviously does not present themselves as knowledgeable or parang hindi mo na-associate yung tao na to dito.
That's
Pero
actually true.
Because on the flip side, there are some artists na
na ganun yung
ganun
presentation.
yung presentation nila. Tapos when,
Hindi nag-align.
Blink once.
yeah, I guess it's feel ko, somehow I blame it on social media na ang dami mong persona na nakikita na gusto mong maging.
Yeah.
So sometimes, si artist na ganito, sobrang cool niya, ang edgy, so I wanna be like that.
Parang merong
Sometimes it
checklist
really
of what
doesn't-
makes them cool.
It really
Ganun.
doesn't align with the actual person. Which is, I mean, I'm not judging. Like, sobrang okay lang yun if that's how you wanna express yourself. Pero yun lang, yung pag-disalign ng mga bagay-bagay, minsan confusing for people who are watching.
Ang daming factors, no? Sobrang
And
dami.
if you think about it kasi, for example, like artists, syempre they share music eh. Music is the number one thing that they share with us. Everything else that comes after is not really
It's a
what they
bonus.
set out to share with
Yeah.
us.
Oo.
So, for example, yung mga opinion nila, like, what's interesting is the lack, like, when they have a lack of opinion on something, people will come at them for not having an opinion on something or sharing it.
That,
That's interesting.
Yeah,
No, it's
that's
interesting.
what, yun siguro yung hindi ko na-phrase ng maayos. Na
Yeah.
sinasabi ko kanina. Like, there's this pressure to talk, for them to give insight on something they
that
don't
they're
know
not
about.
knowledgeable about.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
and it's not bad that they don't know about it. Parang hindi naman, as much as it's a responsibility to society, hindi siya requirement as an artist.
Yeah, kasi yun nga, the music is first.
Oo.
Everything that follows after. Well, for me,
So like sinabi niya, parang hindi para ma-crucify yung tao for something like that.
like me, I don't listen to artists to know their opinion on something. Like, I will listen for their music. Me, specifically, like, I will listen. It's nice if they will share, like, their opinion. But I won't blame them if they don't. Because, sure, if they don't know anything about it,
Then,
they'd
yeah.
rather not.
Kesa magsabi ng
Something wrong.
ng misinformation.
Misleading.
Yeah, so I guess it's really interesting now, no? When you look at it, it's like, whoa. What dangerous
How did we end up here? How did we
know.
end up here?
So anyways,
Moving on.
Hindi, wala, yun lang. Ang sarap lang, syempre pag-usapan kasi like we're Gen Z, so yung culture mismo natin sa scene, medyo woke.
I think generally, importante talaga yung context. Yan. Context lagi.
I
Context and circumstance.
So when you listen to this podcast, please keep it in context.
Oo. Like,
Don't take
Very
it out
vital
of
in-
mga
context.
tao kasi, hindi kasi generally, mga tao, parang may two sides yan eh. May mga tao na they would engage in discourse about this public figure because this and that. Na may point.
Yeah.
May point naman kasi they actually want to bring awareness dun sa everyone else and dun sa artist. And meron namang tao na nang crucify ng public figure, kunwari ulit, but they don't actually intend on bringing awareness. They just want to
They just wanna
crucify the
crucify.
person.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, may point pa rin naman yung ano. Kasi I don't want it, ayokong magkaroon ng impression yung mga makikinig na gusto natin pababawin yung ano. May point din naman. Meron talagang discourse na importante.
Of course.
So it's important na mag-engage kayo dun sa discourse na
So,
may goal talaga and may intention talagang magbigay ng kalinawan.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
not absolute kasi.
it's not to the platform, it's to help the person use the platform correctly.
I mean, yeah, that's all of us.
Sa sobrang dami kasing discourse ngayon na sabay-sabay, simultaneous na nangyari. Hindi mo na malaman kung ano yung productive at kung hindi yung
Tama,
productive.
that's
Kayo
so
as
true.
persons, as users ng social media, alamin, meron din tayong personal responsibility na alamin kung ano yung discourse na worth it i-engage and hindi worth it i-engage. Yun yung para ako, that's how I personally approach things. Pag nakikita ko si ganto, kina-cancel because of this, parang ang babaw naman ng reason. Or parang, si ganto na-cancel. Kasi because si ganto ganyan, importante yung crucial. Yun lang naman yung
Hindi siya
point ko.
2D eh.
to,
Marami
ano.
talaga siyang
Oo,
layers.
sobrang daming iba-iba ng factors, circumstance.
Not decipher. Parang you really have to think about it.
It's not a yes or no, hindi siya sobrang dami.
Exactly. Parang you really have to think about the things that you say. Whether you think it's so small, you just have to really think about it, diba? Before you hit send on your...
Siguro yun lang din talaga. Dahil yun lang din siguro yung responsibility talaga ng artist
Pero
ngayon.
yung nakakalungkot lang din, honestly, kasi, di ba yun nga, yung mga bashers na gano'n, na parang kahit maliit lang na topic, pinapalaki nila. Tapos like, para silang langgam na parang,
Yeah.
sunod-sunod, na wala namang sense yung kung ba't
At saka
sila
they don't
binabas.
actually care.
Diba?
Gusto lang nila
Minsan nga di nila
mag-dogpile.
kilala, nagko-comment.
I guess people are just bored. Pansin
Yun
ko.
nga. Mm-mm.
Yung mga walang jowa
sa kanila
dyan,
entertain.
Yung mga walang jowa dyan, magtigil kayo.
Chismis culture, okay? We can't blame.
Ginagawa ko yung jowa yung mga
Yun talaga
chismis
yun. Oo. Yun talaga yun. Pero I guess yun nga, you just have to be responsible in everything you do, di ba? You think about it. What good does this bring? Di ba?
Yeah.
That's what you always think about.
Lalo na pag nakita nila yung person na parang hindi naman siya ganun like
Oo.
mataas or something. Lalo na pag sabi ito real talk, lalo na pag sinabi mong pangit or pogi, mga ganun magaganda. Pag pangit, alam niyo na yun, di ba?
Yeah, may bias all the time.
Mga ganun.
Oo.
Wala na nakakasad
Totoo.
lang. Unfair ng ano.
Yeah, I guess that's our responsibility as people who have platforms to a certain extent na we have to balance all of these things. Na
Yeah.
people don't think about it na parang for them parang dami niyong followers kasi naman. But there's a big responsibility that comes with that na people don't really realize that we think about all the time. Like it's not you can't just post whatever, especially now. And yeah, it's interesting to see. Na you guys, yun nga, parang you thought it was music at first. But it's so much bigger
It
than
comes
that.
with so much responsibility.
Yeah, it's so much bigger than that. But, it's nice to have friends to talk about it with. That's why we got so excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To talk about it. Kasi we all somewhat understand each other. Then, and for anybody out there who also feels that way, di ba? If you don't want to talk about it, don't worry, we got you. We feel you. We feel you. We're all gonna say something. We're all cancelable to an extent.
Wait, yeah. That's true. Totoo naman.
Diba? Like, people will always not agree with our opinions. And
I think
that's just
everyone
how it
naman.
is.
People without the platform, everyone's cancelable to
I
some
agree.
extent.
I agree. But anyway, moving on.
Pero actually, joke lang.
moving on. Yun nga, like I said, it's nice to have people talk
Yeah.
to about it. I mean, like you guys, you're very close. I'm assuming.
Parang hindi...
Mag-usap lang kami
Arthur.
yan, pag may kailangan. Parang ano pa yan, mga 1 month,
1 month yung reply.
Oo, 1 month yung reply.
Pero kasi the experience of being an artist is not common. Diba? So to have friends who are artists, it's very lucky.
Iba yon kasi naiintindihan nila yung pinangagalingan mo.
Oo.
Yeah. Also,
Ang
syempre
arte.
kay Gika, you're producing with your sibling, di ba?
Siyempre, with Gika.
Paano ko sasabihin?
Hindi, yun lang. Parang siya, literally, someone who's very, very close to her. She's producing with her brother. So, iba rin yung may kasama ka to make music and express yourself.
Yes.
That's so
Para kang si Billie Eilish.
Oo.
Yes naman,
Yes.
Billy. I can eat that
Yes.
every... Hindi, ayun, oo. Wala.
Ayan, may kuya
Naubos
ko
na lahat.
actually.
Naubos na yung vocabulary ko, nagamit na lahat. Hindi, yun yung isang bagay na I'm grateful for. Na I get to navigate the industry with my kuya and my ate.
That's true.
Ang ganda rin ng boses natin.
Ay, ate.
Hindi, I mean, sorry,
Ate ba or
misleading. Baby sister ko yung kumakanta.
Okay, sorry na.
She's younger than me. Yung ate ko kasi as in yung asawa ni Kuya Kenneth. Siya yung siya yung video
okay.
prod ko sa lahat. So
Wow.
parang kaming tatlo lahat.
Sa mga
Okay.
music video.
It's a family thing.
That's so lucky.
Hindi nga rin namin na-expect na parang meron pala kaming personal na interest na works together. Yun. Share ko lang.
Yeah. No, that's cool. And even
Ayun.
just you guys collabing on a song, di ba? Parang sabi nga kanina ni Jiga na parang a new side of you yung nakita niya.
Oo.
So what was it like working together? Kasi iba yung context na friends kayo and iba din yung when you're working
Work,
together,
oo.
di ba? So do you like
Paano
each
ba?
other more now or
Hindi. Hindi.
Napilitan lang.
Work lang to. Strictly professional.
Di ko alam. Parang kasi, si Gika kasi pagka-work mo siya, parang parang kusa na. Kumbaga, kahit di kayo close. Di ko alam. Pero parang kusang.
De-remote ka ba?
Hindi ko alam. Pero na-realize ko after kong kasi syempre big yun, parang big request para sa kanya na mag-request ako na mag-collab kami. Pero after nun, realize ko na parang...
I'm glad that you see it that way. It's not that way at all. Oh, hindi. Siyempre, you're helping me with this collab. So, it means so much that you
Parehas
know.
lang.
Yeah, you're
Oh,
helping each other.
I love that you saw it that way.
Pero na-realize ko na, na true friend si Gika kahit di kami nag-usap na parang... Siya,
Uy, hindi pero parang low maintenance
kasi never
friend
kami,
nga ako.
di naman kami nag-usap lagi. Like,
Oo.
na parang close. Kahit ngayon kahit pagka sa...
Hindi ko nga alam favorite color mo eh.
Hindi, pero kasi yung song namin na yun, parang third single siya ng EP na nilabas ko, MU. So, pag sinabi yung MU, di ba, ano siya, yung totoong meaning ng MU, mutual understanding. Pero sa dictionary ni Arthur Miguel, malabong ugnayan.
Yes.
Kasi pag sinabi mong MU, di ba, hindi mo, para kayong
Di
nasa
malinaw.
pagitan ng oo, hindi at baka. Tapos di niya masagot.
Yes
Hindi
naman.
kayo ready.
Okay,
Kumbaga,
linguistics.
Basta, sobrang labo yung dalawa. Tapos,
Ah.
yung parang nung time na yun, tapos ko na yung song. Like, ready na yung vocals lahat. Nagawa ko na yung whole verse. Parang mix and master na lang. Tapos sabi ko, parang may kulang. Kasi yung Malabo Ugnayan, siya yung pinaka-different dun sa EP. Na parang medyo, first time ko din kasi makagawa ng song na parang medyo may R&B na vibes.
Electronic, no?
O, parang
Natunog.
ganun. Kasi, nung time na yun, naisip ko agad na collab. Pero si Gika agad yung
Wow.
nasa unang
Grabe
pumasok.
naman.
Sa utak
Pero bakit
ko.
di mo pinasa agad? Joke lang.
Gumawa ng issue.
Gumawa ng issue.
Tapos ayun, tapos syempre dahil nga para sa kami ng label, so madali kami
It's easier.
makakapag-communicate. Tsaka
Oo.
na lang yun, parang sabihin natin 3 weeks na lang siguro. Eh di ba pag nag-release ka ng music, kailangan
Oo,
mo.
may
di ba,
leeway.
yun? Kaya sabi ko na tapos yun, na buti na lang si Gika agad yung naisip ko kasi nga madali kami.
Yes naman.
Yun, tapos di tinanong ko siya. Sabi ko, Gika, ganito kasi, baka pwede ka sa song kasi parang may touch siya ng R&B tapos G agad siya. Tapos sabi ko, gawa siya ng tawag yun, binigay ko sa kanya yung second verse na parang free verse niya, ganun. So,
Parang
gumawa siya,
nagsulat,
tapos
oo.
first drop pa lang, yun na agad yun. Ganun kagaling.
Yes
Ganun siya
na.
kagaling.
Wiz, kakainis to. Pero,
Ba't pala ako
Nagbago na
Nakainis ka.
Yung nagbago na yan, hindi naman siya ganyan nung di pa siya
hoy,
sa Coldplay.
nakakainis ka.
May superpower na kasi siya.
Hindi siya magaling
Nawala na
magsalita.
yung kilay niya.
May And with that,
Pinabas yung kilay mo. Ang cute na eh.
Stop! Don't take Huwag kang bumawi.
Nakashape talaga yung kilay niya ng style.
No, kasi kanina when I saw you, di ba, I asked you kagad, did you really shave your eyebrow?
I shaved that.
Kasi di ba, you can do the glue thing. Yung mga drag queen
That's what they call
style.
commitment.
Yeah. I'm in the no brow life.
The look.
Yeah. I love it.
What benefit does it give you?
Wala.
Wait,
May
why'd you do
con.
it?
Walang pro,
Ay,
may
why
con.
did you do it? Tell everybody
Tumutulo
why.
yung pawis sa mata.
Yung
Oo.
walang maharang dito.
Like, bigla ko naalala yung basic anatomy. Oo nga pala. Kaya
Yun
nga
nga
pala
pala
may
siya.
kilay. Hindi, parang nababawasan kasi yung oras ko ng pagme-makeup.
Uy, pero ang sipag niya mag-shave, no? Kasi syempre tutubo yan.
Oo.
Di ba? Pero
Oo.
araw-araw, ganun.
Hindi
nag-shave.
naman. Magsusugat siya pag lagi mong in. Napunta na tayo sa kilay. I love it.
Commitment.
So magpapatanggal ka na
Oo.
doon.
Kalahati lang. Para yung sa angle ko may kilay pa rin ako.
Some people do that, di ba, yung may slice?
Ay, oo.
I used to do that.
Nagkaroon din ako ng slit
Bakit?
era.
Did you think
Ako
you were
yung Jeje
cool?
Montira. Hindi ako
medyo
ganun
guwapo
dati.
yun dati.
Wait, let's be... What, really?
Tapos yung gagawin mo pa, undercut, tapos yung slit na
Ay, yung
kilay mo,
ano?
nakasakto
Oo,
dito.
oo, yung
Totoo.
Boys are so...
That was like
I think
high
I've
school,
seen
high
that on
school yun.
TikTok. Yung mga TikTok ng mga barber. Yung,
Oo, tapos yung
Kaya
hair ko
ganun
pala
yun.
may dalawang line dito sa likod.
I valued our conversation today kasi those are hard things to talk about that not everybody talks about talaga
Yeah.
but very much
Uy,
exists.
hello, tsaka may kasama kayo introvert.
Oh.
Yes. Introvert na madaldal.
minsan lang dumaldal.
I remember, feeling ko sinabi mo din sa akin na
Oo.
introvert ka dati. Sabi ko, di ako
Hindi halata.
sa'yo.
Pansin ko sa kanya, pag dumadami yung tao, tumatahimik siya.
Oo.
Oh,
Tsaka pag pagka like ang dami na nag-uusap, parang hindi ko na ma-absorb
Yeah.
yung mga mga ganun.
No, I respect that. I will never ever take that away from you.
Ang dami niyang baon. Ang dami niyang baon na cliches. I love it.
Dami ka na. But to wrap this up, to wrap it up, I want to thank you guys. Kasi,
Yes.
sobrang nag-enjoy kami. We don't really
Thank
talk
Ako
you.
like this.
Very meaningful.
Diba? Dami nating interview in the past, pero hindi naman ganito yung parang napag-usapan natin at that time. And it's very much real. You're so real for that.
Even in gigs. Si Gika first time ko ma-meet nung launch namin.
Oh, yeah. First
Hindi
time
kami
Ay, oo,
nakapag-usap.
Saan yung kailan?
Nag-launch
Ay,
May
kami.
sorry,
single
hindi ka
launch
invited.
sila. Single launch nila.
Nag-single launch kami. Tapos in-invite namin si Gika.
Yeah.
All female yung lineup.
Yes.
Yeah, and we're talking about 17 lang.
Mm-mm.
I remember.
And now we're here. Talking
Yeah.
about social issues.
We've come
music,
such a long way.
and life.
Ate, kasi ito talaga yung mga moment na mapapag-usapan yun.
And
Yeah.
this
Diba?
is a platform for you guys to finally get to speak up about
I
these
agree.
things na
Oo.
gusto nyong ma-open up. And
Kasi we don't judge. Bakit?
Open up, tapos yung mga pinagsasabi natin, ingro. ASMR.
Ano ba yan?
Let me end.
go na. Mamaya natin
Sorry.
No, pero yeah. Wala na. Hindi ko na maalala. So, thanks guys. Yun na yun. Thank you.
Thank
Anything
you.
you wanna promote? Coming shows, releases?
Stream nyo yung bago kong kanta. It's called Pati ng Ulan. Yes, by July.
Anong title?
Pati ng Ulan.
Pati ng ulan.
Hala! Sabihin ko na.
Mamaya na.
Ano? Parang yung concept. Talagang sinabi na eh, no? Yung hook kasi nung kanta, haharanahin kita pati ng ulan. Parang ganon. Yes, stream nyo yan.
Stream nyo guys, MUEP out now.
Yes.
Kasama doon yung main single namin ni Gika.
Malabong
Thank you so much sa lahat na
ugnayan.
nakikinig.
Yes, love you all.
Thank